guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Naomi, and if you're not new here, I'm still Naomi, y'all. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a budget and save money like a boss. If you didn't know, budgeting is one of the most important skills you need to master if you want to achieve your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, traveling the world, or even retiring early. Budgeting helps you plan your income and expenses, controls your spending, and saves more money for things that matter to you. It sounds good, right? But how do you actually create a budget that works for you? Well, don't worry, because I'm here to help. In this video, I will walk you through the steps of making a simple and realistic budget, and I will also share with you some tips and tricks on how to save more money and avoid debt. So let's get started, you guys. The first step to creating a budget is to know your income. You may say, Naomi, well, what is income? Your income is the money that you earn from your job, your business, or any other sources. You need to know how much money you have coming in every month and how often you get paid. For example, if you have a salary of $3,000 per month and you get paid twice a month, then your income is $1,500 every 2 weeks. So write down your income on a piece of paper, a spreadsheet, or an app. I personally use this app called Mint, which is free and easy to use. It automatically tracks your income and expenses and shows you how much money you have left to spend or save. You can also set up your budget and goals on the app, and it will help you stay on track. I will leave a link to the app in the description below so you guys can check it out. The second step to creating a budget is to know your expenses. Your expenses are the money that you spend on your needs and wants. So you need to know how much money you spend every month and what you spend it on. And to do this, you need to track your spending for at least 1 month and categorize it into different groups. For example, you can divide your expenses into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses are the ones that stay the same every month, such as your rent, mortgage, utilities, insurance, car payments, and the list goes on. Variable expenses are the ones that change every month, such as grocery bills, gas, entertainment, eating out, shopping, the list goes on. So write down your expenses on the same paper, spreadsheet, or app that you use for your income and add them up. You can also use the app that I mentioned earlier called Mint to track your expenses automatically and to see where your money is actually going. The third step to creating a budget is to subtract your expenses from your income. And this will give you your net income, which is the money that you have left paying after your expenses. Your net income can be positive, negative, or zero. And if your net income is positive, that means you have more money than you spend and you can use it to save or invest for your goals. If your income is negative, that means you spend more money than you have and you need to cut down on your expenses or either increase your income. And if your net income is zero, that means you break even and you have no money left to save or invest. Ideally, you want to have a positive net income so you can build your wealth and achieve your financial goals. The fourth step to creating a budget is to adjust your expenses. And this is where you can make changes to your spending habits and find ways to save more money. You can start by looking at your variable expenses and see if there are any areas where you can reduce or eliminate your spending. For example, you can save money by cooking at home instead of eating out, using transportation instead of driving, or even canceling subscriptions that you don't use, such as Netflix, Hulu, Tubi, the list goes on and on. Also look at your fixed expenses and see if there are any opportunities to lower your bills. For example, you can save money by switching to a cheaper phone plan, refinancing your mortgage, or even negotiating your insurance rates. The goal is to find a balance between your needs and wants and spend your money on things that bring value and happiness to you. The fifth and final step to creating a budget is to allocate your net income. And this is where you decide how to use your money that you have left after paying for your expenses. You can use it to save, invest, pay off debt, or spend on something that you want. The best way to allocate your net income is to follow the 50-30-20 rule. This rule says that you should spend 50% of your net income on your needs, 30% on your wants, and 20% on saving or debt payments. For example, if you have a net income of $500 per month, you should spend $250 on your needs, $150 on your wants, and $100 on your saving or debt payments. This way you can cover your essential expenses, enjoy your life, and build your financial future. And that's it, you guys. That is how you create a budget and save money like a boss. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments down below, how do you budget your money? And what are your financial goals? I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.